In this video, we will dive into automating the process of extracting critical information from contracts. Imagine having a magical tool that can read through contracts, legal documents, policies, and reports and pull out all the essential information you need. Well, that's exactly what Kudra does. In this demo, we'll use a sample house rental contract, and we will see how Kudra can easily extract key data points like names, addresses, rent amounts, and clauses. We'll be walking through a simple workflow to demonstrate how to seamlessly extract and export critical information from contracts. We'll start by creating a new workflow. Let's call it Contract Analysis. First, we need to tell Kudra what type of documents we are going to import. We'll use the text and CSV to import Word documents, text files, or CSV files. Next, we'll add the GPT Entity Extractor node. This is the heart of our workflow. Think of it as a magical AI scanner that can read through your contract and understand the information it contains. To make this AI scanner work, we need to give it a list of labels, which tell the AI what kind of information we're looking for. For example, if we want to extract names, we need to specify the name label. To export our data to Google Sheet, we're going to use the Make Automation platform. For this demo, we'll use the OneDrive node to import our documents. We'll need to set up a connection to OneDrive. This is a quick process where you simply provide your OneDrive credentials. After setting up the OneDrive nodes, we add an HTTP node to call the Kudra API for the extraction. Once the results are received from Kudra, we map them to separate variables using the Set Multiple Variables node. This node allows us to create variables and assign the extracted data to them. For instance, we can create a variable called name and assign the name extracted from the contract to it. Finally, we'll add the Google Sheets node. We'll configure the node to connect to a specific Google Sheet. We'll also create columns to store the extracted data, such as name, address, rent amount, etc. Now, we can kick off the process by running the workflow. The AI will work its magic, extracting data from your contracts and populating your Google Sheet with the information you need. And just like that, our workflow is ready to go. Kudra will automatically extract and analyze all the contracts stored in your OneDrive folder and populate your Google Sheet with all the key information. It's as simple as that. Using Kudra, you can automate the process of extracting data from any document. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on automation and AI.